Alright everybody, welcome back to the Keat 60 Hotshot Adventures. Just got off work, as you can kind of tell, my work gear. Anyways, I got a call, literally like 5 minutes from work, getting this old F-250. I think it's got it's either got the 5.4, because I don't see any badging for like a V10, so I think it's the 5.4. But I'm not 100% sure, because I haven't popped the hood, and there's no power stroke badging, so that's why I made that assumption. So we got her loaded up here. It's an in-op. Got the winch, just kind of hooked it up to the plow mount there. It's frame mounted, so I wasn't worried about it. Got her up there, four straps. Got the key in the cab. I always grab the key out of it. Not the greatest truck in the greatest condition. It's like a work truck, it was a plow truck. I don't know, it's got airbags. Tags are expired by like 4 years. I don't know what this guy's gonna do with it, but got a really good rate on it. From where the guy thought it was going from and to. I thought it was going to be quite a bit of a drive, and ended up thought it was going to be an hour or so. Ended up only being a half hour, so I made out really well on the rate for this. I think I'm going basically like 35 miles. So I don't know, this is at least $4 a mile right here. Anyways, I'm going to get out on the road, get this delivered. It's a nice 70-degree day this evening. I'll fold that mirror in and I'm going to hit the road. Weight-wise, I don't know what these trucks weigh. You'd think I would know I had a 6.0, right? Probably 5,400, 6,500 pounds. Usually, when I usually load these, I had this trailer forever. I always know that stake pocket. Anything I've ever loaded, I put it at that stake pocket. It rides perfect, so. Alright, let's get this moneymaker on the road and delivered. Alright, well, delivery is made. Truck's unloaded. Turns out it was an in-op. When I got to the delivery, the customer was like, I was told there's an op. He's like, nah, like the battery's just dead. I'm like, well, it makes unloading easy. Threw my jump pack on there and fired it up, drove it off the trailer, and got my COD and headed out. So it was a good run, good short run, good money. Wanted to close out the video with that info, and off to the next job here. We'll see what we get. Peace out.